CRF 110 versus the KLX 110 2021. I feel way faster on this one. Do one test lap on each. See which lap time's faster. Lap time comparison. CRF 110 versus the KLX. This one definitely wheelies better too, just because of the clutch. Bro, I almost just looped it.
Almost looped her.
This one is way harder to wheelie. I feel way faster on this one.
Yeah, basically because you can use the clutch a lot.
Yeah, it's for sure that.
That one's just smooth, bro. Like if they want a smooth bike, that's the one.
I feel that.
Like it's not like it's slow, but like if you want to go on a pit bike race, sure, like go take that one. But like if you just want to be smooth, I feel like that's the one.
I feel it, bro.
My preference though on these two, I like the Honda more.
You like the Honda more?
Like, there's no car, bro. It's fuel injected.
Yeah, it's fuel injected.
It's just fucking smooth.
But it's slower, huh?
It's slower, but the clutch really makes this thing a lot faster.
Hey, so CRF 110 versus the KLX 110. What's the consensus, boys?
Oh, KX, all the way.
He's on the KX.
I gotta go with the Honda.
He's on Honda.
Honda all day.
He's on Honda. I'm on Cowie, bro. It's 50-50.
2-2 split.
Yeah.
I'm telling you
I
what,
think
though.
the Hondas are smoother, bro.
Honda's smoother. Cowie's faster. Fletcher's also biased, bro. He just likes them because everybody else has them.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, I just like the way they look. I say Cowie's where it's at. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I gotta take a shit.
This should be shared on your canvas screen.
School type stuff for the track.
This guy, shout out COVID. Fletcher gets to come to the track and go into Zoom meetings.